In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete sent mail in Gmail, even after 1 day, 1 week, or even 5 years with the latest update. Now, while Gmail's settings primarily focus on the immediate retrieval of emails, there are still a few tricks you can employ to manage your sent items efficiently. We'll take a closer look at some of these techniques to better handle those times when you wish you could just take back an email sent in haste. First, you'll want to start by opening up your Gmail account. Once you're there, navigate to the Settings menu, which you'll find in the top right corner, marked by a gear icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This is where you can customize many aspects of your Gmail experience, including the ability to undo sent messages. Once you've opened the settings, you'll land on the General tab. Here, scroll down until you find the section labeled Undo Send. This option is useful if you want an immediate chance to retract an email after it's been sent. In this setting, you can adjust the send cancellation period. By default, it may be set to a lower value, but you'll want to set it to the maximum time allowed, which is 30 seconds. This provides you with a small but crucial window of opportunity to undo a sent email. After you've adjusted this setting, anytime you send an email, you'll notice a banner at the bottom of your screen that reads, Message Sent, Undo. This banner is your lifeline, giving you the chance to click Undo within that 30-second frame. By doing so, the email will retract before it reaches the recipient's inbox. Now, if you want to deal with emails after they've been sent for longer periods, proceed to your Sent folder. Here, you'll find a list of all emails you've dispatched. You'll need to select the email you wish to remove. On the toolbar at the top, you'll see a trash icon. Clicking this will delete the email from your Sent folder. However, it's essential to note that this action only removes the email from your own view. The recipient will still have a copy in their inbox. While it's difficult to completely remove an email from the recipient's account, these steps are a good start for maintaining your email environment and ensuring you're aware of what you're sending. Always consider the convenience of the Undo Send feature, and manage your sent messages through the Sent folder for better oversight of your communications. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guidance helpful.